Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CAD NEST. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel.
Under Catia, we go for part design. Here I'll be naming my part, that is braces. Give it as OK. Here we go for our sketch. So what I'll be doing is I'll be drawing my half of the profile and I'll be mirroring it towards center plane. So go for sketch. I'll select this as my reference plane. Here I'll be drawing my half profile. So like this we'll be drawing our profile. Then with the help of constraints, let us constrain them. The overall distance, that is from this end to this end, they have given us the total distance, it is given as 64. So from here to here it will be 32. And also from center to this height they have given as 48. So this will be 24. And this height it is given as 44. So it will be 22. And from this height this should be at a distance of 16. Why? Because the total it is given as 32. So like we have created our profile. So now we are going to give a horizontal distances. Here you can see this distance it is given as 28. So it means from here to here it should be half of 28, that is 14. From center to this end they have given as 46 by 2. And from center to extreme end point, or else this distance it is given as 9. We go for constraints, this distance it should be 9. So like this we have created our feature, that is our profile. So with the help of mirror curve, I'll mirror this. Select the curve, go for mirror along the center line. So like this we have created our feature. I'll exit from the sketch. Now go for revolve feature, that is shaft feature. I'll select my sketch and I'll be selecting the axis. Axis is nothing but my horizontal axis. The first angle, that is the limit should be 360 degree. Give it as OK. Now you can see we have created our base feature. Here we have one more feature, that is you can see there is a protrude at a distance of 30 from the center and also a hole inside that. Let us create that. Go for reference plane. From the center plane I'll be taking a reference, that is to a distance of 30. Why? Because it is the protrude is at a distance of 30. Then give it as OK. I'll be taking in reverse direction, that is downwards. Give it as OK. Now go for sketch, select the reference plane, and here you will be creating your base feature. That is the diameter of this, it is given as dia 8 and the whole dia it is given as 6. Go for circle. At the center point you will be creating your circle with the dia 8. Dia 8 is nothing but radius 4. Exit. So from here you will be creating a pad. So pad depth you should be giving it as up to next, so that up to where the material is present, the next material, up to there your protrude will be created. Give it as OK. Now you can see you have created a feature like this. The next we go for sketch. On the same face I'll be selecting this face. On same face we should take a circle of dia 6 in order to create the pocket. This dia it should be 6. Dia 6 nothing but R3. Exit. Go for pocket And pocket depth, here you can see that it is given as through hole. Through is nothing but from this end to this end, the full hole should be completed. For that, we'll be giving it as up to last, so that the full material will be removed. Give it as OK. Now you can see from this end to this end, the full material will be removed. This is how we'll be creating our braces part. So in next video, we will create some more parts and let us go for assembly of our plumber block. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.